that God will give me right timing to go to Cebu for the process of me and Charles be together. So I need that prayer. So guys, thank you so much for your prayer. And this is what I'm seeing with my marriage. It's been difficult. I am happy with my marriage, but it's difficult when especially when you do something that you need someone, you need your husband to help you. For example, like that ministry, Bible study. And today, the Bible study, I called my husband and speaking to them through online, through computer. And I thank God that they are fine with that. They are okay with that. And they are happy, that Charles have time for them to do the Bible study. So even though it is online, so I thank God for that we have internet.